Right now I'm using curly hair. That's the brand that I'm using. The first time I did this hairstyle, I used the Kimber hair, the same brand as the soft dread, and that hair was much lighter. It did not tangle, it didn't feel like plastic. This brand. So if you can get all the hair from this brand, get all the hair from this brand, okay? Because I thought it would be the same thing. I just bought the same hair. I just bought the hair that they had in this particular store, but last time I used a different brand, and the bottom of the hair was much softer and easier to manage. It was lighter on my head, and I just liked it better. This hair is like real plasticky, and it gets real bushy at the end, so I had to dip it in hot water and all that good stuff. You want your hair to be protected and well moisturized under this while it's under there for 3 months, okay? Or 2 months, however long you keep it under there. You just want it to be, this hair is very dry into the hair. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take one piece of Molly hair, because they're going to come in one piece like that, and then you're going to take just a thin piece of the curly hair. Nothing too thick, because when the bottom, you don't want it to look like a curly weave. So you want to make sure that you have, first of all, you want to use the best side when you separate the hair. So you see how this side look already shabby, and this side is nice and neat. So that's the side that I'm going to use for my end. And then you want to make sure that that piece hangs longer than the Molly hair. Some of it you could leave longer, some you could leave shorter, just to have variation. Okay, then I'm going to take the braided hair, because it's really long. I'm only going to fold it to that much, and then the rest is going to be my length. So I'm sure everybody know how to do a braid, right? How to add extensions. If not, then you're going to have to pay somebody to do this hairstyle, because I don't think you should be doing it. But to make it easy, I'm going to grab this hair, take my finger to separate it, and put this in the middle. So you see that? This is in the middle. And then you just braid it. Alright, so you want to go past your hair, right? If you don't braid it, at least twist it. So what you can do is you just braid it to, you know, a decent amount, and then twist it. Some of them I twist, some of them I braid. The ones on the top I braid it, because once you braid it, it sounds like a lot, but it's not. But once you braid it, it makes it a little more firm. So the ones on top, I like it to stay over there, so I braid it to stay. So next, you're going to grab the faux lock, and then you're going to separate it. So this is what it look like. like a big Shirley Temple curl. And what you do is you separate it, and it turns into 3 pieces. Now you don't want to braid it too tight, because as you're twisting it, it does tighten. Okay, so don't braid it too tight, because it would be very unbearable. And this hairstyle at the beginning, it is kind of tight. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this hair and wrap it around. You're going to leave some, just a little bit on that side to lock it in. Right? You're going to hold this piece. You're going to start and as you wrap it, you want to make sure that this finger controls it. So this finger is going to guide it. You're going to turn it, hold it. Turn it, hold it. Turn it,
Come on,